Good morning, everybody. My name is Louisa. Welcome to my channel. It's about 10 a.m. Wednesday morning, and it looks like I just got out of bed, but actually, I've been up for a couple of hours. I've been trying to finish my coffee. I don't have any makeup on. I'm trying to keep it real, but today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I thought I would give you a little glimpse of what I go through on a daily basis. I retired from a very stressful government job last year, middle of last year, and I've been focusing on my jewelry, trying to maintain my Etsy store. It's not easy because it's very time consuming, and I spend too much time making videos, too much time working on bargain bee box projects, and not enough time on my Etsy store. But today I'm going to be working on a project for my Etsy store. But before we go to my studio, let's go ahead and say good morning to Boo Boo. Hello, Boo Boo. Do you want to come with me to the studio and work on some jewelry? He loves to be with me, and I keep a cat bed on my workspace so that he can sit there and watch me do some beading. All right, Boo Boo, let's go ahead and get started. Here it is. This is where I do all of my work. As you can see, today I have the cat bed on the floor. Usually I put it up on the desk for my cat to sit on, and that prevents him from getting on my beads. I'm proud to say that I got a Cricut for Christmas, and I'm so excited because now I'm able to make a lot of the marketing materials myself instead of sending them out to the printers or somebody to make them for me. There's my new printer. Oh my gosh, I love my new printer and my Cricut. But this is where I do all of my jewelry, and as you can see, it's pretty clean. I try to keep my desk clean. It's not always like this, but I try to pick up, before I retire for the evening, I try to pick up every night. But here it is, and do you recognize this project? Oh yes, those are the beautiful necklaces that I made with the Bargain Bead Box January collection. And the reason they're there is because I have to now photograph them and upload them onto my Etsy store. So today I will be working on some new jewelry, and that's why this blank tray is sitting right there. And actually, let me just show you these beautiful pendants that I received. One of them is a moonstone, the other one's a labradorite. They're very small, but that's okay because I'm trying to make more minimalist type jewelry. So I'm going to be making a couple of necklaces with these two today, and I don't normally do this, but those are actually gold filled. And most of my jewelry on my Etsy store is costume jewelry. It's not gold filled at all, but I keep my gold filled materials in this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury box. Charlotte Tilbury, I guess it's pronounced. I don't have a lot because I've been trying to keep my pricing on the cheapest side. I don't want to charge a lot. So most of my stuff is not gold filled or sterling. But I will be making these beautiful minimalist necklaces today with gold filled chain. So the first thing I need to do is turn on my lighting, because I need all the lighting I can get whenever I'm doing jewelry. And I've got this other lamp here that I turn on, and I can actually turn it, angle it, just the way I want it. Okay, so here's my stuff, and I need these, of course, and I need my pliers. So let me put them over here, and I'm going to get started. Making a pendant necklace is normally a very straightforward and easy process, unless you're doing it for your Etsy store, okay, or any kind of online store. Because now I have to think about what options am I going to offer my customers, and I like to offer the option of sizing whenever possible. The photos on my Etsy store are all modeled by me, so whatever photos I put up there, they have to look right. And today I'll be making a 16-inch necklace just for the photography, because anything bigger than that on my frame just doesn't look right. I have a 16-inch necklace on right now, so you can see what it looks like. What I'm going to do today is make a necklace that's 16 inches long so that I can put it on my store. And then I will give them the option to select whatever size they want, and I can actually put together a necklace really quickly. I have a whole spool here of chain, so if I know what size they want and I have all the elements, the jump ring, the pendants, I can put it together in a matter of minutes. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how quickly I make this beautiful minimalist pendant necklace, and we'll get started. Well, I thought I would take a little break, and it's a beautiful day outside. So what I'm going to do is go outside, get some sunshine, get some fresh air, and then I'll come back and finish my work. My day is not over by any means. I have a whole bunch of photo editing to do. Then I have to upload to Etsy. But I know this video was kind of short, but I wanted to give you a little insight to show you what I do on a daily basis pretty much. So anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day. Bye.